friends, thank you so much for tuning into my channel. How do I get started here? I mean, the holiday season for 2020 is definitely one that is super different. And, by now I'm sure I would be styling, office parties, girlfriend gatherings. I'm just bummed about it. And I wanted to pull back into my archive 2019, and I remembered that I did not share this party with you last year, so this is the perfect time for me to whip it out and share some holiday spirit. So I designed this party for a private company, and I just want to share it with you. So as you can see, the theme was an elegant cabin, and this was a very large room that we used, but we wanted it to, mimic maybe a lounge or a cafe at a cabin resort. So the red and black buffalo check is what tied everything together to give you that lumberjack feel, and the lanterns and the greenery, the wood. Oh, it just seems like this would be the perfect time to get away to a cabin and enjoy the holidays with your loved ones.
We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. Here we go. All right. Dance, dance, now this Christmas, we're gonna dance. We're gonna dance, 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 come on. Dance. We're gonna dance, dance, have a good time. Dance, dance, all night long. We're gonna dance, dance.
The goal here was to add lots of greenery and just a splash of holiday on the tables, and that comes in with, a ornament here, an ornament there, and definitely the colors, the poinsettias in the arrangements, and the miniature pine trees or Christmas trees that were lit. It just tied in to the cabin feel. Very simple, a little bit of rustic vibe in there, and I think that this turned out very well. The guests enjoyed it and had a very great time. I did not steer away from using those decorative gift boxes that come in packs of 2, 4, you know what I'm talking about. So I used those as, little backdrops and to create vignettes here and there throughout the room. And this Holly Jolly sign, if you will, is not actually a sign, but it's one of those gift boxes. And I use those to accent certain areas throughout the party. The venue had this very beautiful and gigantic Christmas tree, beautifully decorated in the corner of the room, and it bounced off of this grand mirror. It just, you had to have been there to get all of the feels. But in this particular area, it was very large and open, so I closed it in a little by using cocktail tables and, very simple centerpieces for guests to have a drink and to mingle with one another when they weren't sitting at the tables. The party was not going to be complete if you couldn't document it. So yeah, there was a fun photo booth there for guests to take pictures and remember the night. I'm not sure now they are holding on to those memories. The vinyl tabletop cover, definitely accented these areas. It was such a nice, inexpensive move to make when, just jazzing up the space. And the cleanup was even better because there was very little damage to the actual linen cloth, and with a nice wipe down with disinfectant and warm water and soap, the vinyl topper was easy to clean. Going with this theme allowed me to go out into nature and grab some decor elements like the pine cones, and I had a friend to cut down a log so that I could use those little log pieces on the table. And the candy apples is just like the perfect touch, right? It gives you the fall, winter themes. I just loved it, and so did the guests. And we had that photo booth, and as you can see in the back of the photo, we had a live band to make sure that everyone has a good time. Gosh, I miss this. Don't you? Just getting together with friends and, playing the games. So that's why I wanted to share this with you so we can have some memories together. Friends, I hope that you like this very quick video. Give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and please subscribe if you haven't already. I thank you so much for tuning in, and until next time, have a great day.
In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter